Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's been a very long time since I haven't uploaded any video on my YouTube channel. So since I've got my hand on Sony Alpha 6600 camera, so I've got this recently and I bought this in Japan. So today I'm going to unbox it. So are you guys ready? So let's do it.
Alpha.
The Sony Alpha 6600 is the company's top-of-the-line APS-C mirrorless camera. With 24 megapixel of resolution and the 4K video capture, it looks a lot like Sony's other A6000 series model at first glance, but this one has the biggest battery and the best build quality of the bunch. Yeah, now that's my brand new Sony Alpha 6600 camera. I've just bought it now from Yodobashi Camera at Ekiba, Tokyo, Japan. With this thing, you have to separately buy its accessory like charger, memory card and battery. So I've all bought these. So without making any further ado, let's unbox it. So I'm really excited to see what's inside it. Obviously, it's the catalog of its camera. So, it's the warranty card, and as you can see, I purchased it on May 16, 2021, and it has something like purchase code number and the branch and the address of the store I bought the camera. Now here we get the catalog, and I guess I don't have to read it all. Let's just keep it aside, and so let's just keep it aside. We don't have to read all this manual. So here we go. This is the first look at my brand new Sony Alpha 6600. Let's check out this wrapping from the camera body. Oh, it looks so lovely. It's too light, so it's Sony written everywhere. As you can see, here's the model number Alpha 6600 written over here. So that's it. This is the beautiful camera, Sony 6600, and I guess this is the belt. It's the Alpha logo here. This is, I guess, the charger head. This is the charger head, and all the small accessories and USB stuff and everything that the camera need. I guess it's all here. This is the camera battery. I guess this is the lens. So let me first just unwrap it. The Sony Alpha 6600 comes up with a lens packed with, I guess this is 18 to 135 mm lens. It's a great deal to have such a lens in this pack. While buying this camera, you have to buy memory card separately. So I have bought this 64GB of memory card from SanDisk, which is pretty much good. But if you want to shoot video on 4K, I guess this won't be sufficient for you, as 4K video takes more space on memory card. The Sony Alpha 6600 only supports UHS-I SD card and not the faster UHS 2 card that are supported in cameras like the Sony Alpha 7 III. So similarly, I also need to buy the charger separately. Sony Alpha 6600 is the first APS-C camera from Sony that uses the larger NP-FG100 battery. The NP-FG100 delivers around double the battery life compared to the smaller NP-FW50 battery found in the cameras like the A6400. But if you are shooting all day, you will want at least one additional battery. The Alpha 6600 unfortunately does not include an external battery charger in the box for fast charging, so you can only charge the NP-FG100 in camera via the USB power adapter. If you want to charge the battery externally, then you will need the Sony BC-QZ1 battery charger. So I have bought this one. The 5-axis in-body optical image stabilization mechanism used on our acclaimed full-frame cameras has been adapted as the stabilization unit for the APS-C sensor on the Alpha 6600. Relying on a highly accurate gyro sensor, it detects and compensates for camera shake along 5 different axes, including angular, horizontal, vertical, and rotational for stabilization equivalent to a 5-step faster shutter shading. A revised APS-C format 24.2 megapixel exomer CMOS sensor realizes smooth, nuanced image quality with minimal noise and high sensitivity from ISO 100 to 32,000, which can further be expanded to ISO 100,000-2400 for working in low light condition. The skin tone feature inherited from our latest, highly acclaimed full-frame cameras capture the natural beauty of human skin tone, helping you to take portraits that look their best. Internal recording of ultra-high definition 4K movies is possible in multiple frame rate up to 30 frames per second and based on the super 35mm recording areas and effective 6K resolution. Oversampling renders greater detail and full pixel readout is possible. Full frame 4K recording has also been dramatically improved for finer quality when working at mid to high sensitivities to permit full use of the entire sensor width. So that's all for today. I've already done the unboxing of A6600 Sony camera, and I've also made a little review on the video, and that's all for today. So we'll be uploading new video on coming days. So that's all for today. Thank you. Sayonara.